My name is Pascal Morel. I work for Aldebaran Robotics. It's a French company who designs and manufactures a robot called NAO. So I'm going to first ask NAO to introduce himself to you. Then I will go through a very short presentation of the company and the vision of the company, why we are building robots. And then I will try to demonstrate how to use the robot. Be aware that I'm a sales guy, so I'm not a technical guy. There might be some hesitations in my presentation, specifically on technical parts. But please make it very interactive. Ask all the questions you may have, and I'll do my best to answer. Okay? So thank you. Let's ask Nao to introduce himself.
Do you want me to do something else?
Presentation.
I love talking about me. I will try not to take too much time, but there would be so much to say. Hello, my name is NAO. I'm a humanoid robot designed by Aldebaran Robotics in Paris. I'm glad to meet with you today at Tilburg University. I'm autonomous, and I can connect to the internet through Wi-Fi. I can recognize your face, answer your questions, play music, grab objects, and even play soccer like a pro. There are more than 1,500 now in use in universities and research labs around the world. Thank you for coming today. I am happy to have the opportunity to meet with you today and hope you will enjoy the session.
Okay, thank you, Nao. So I'm going to ask Nao to rest.
I'm going to rest.
Thank you. And I will do the short presentation of the company. Okay, we started the company in 2005. The purpose of the company is to design and create robots that will help people. And it's a vision. We are working hard for that. But we also believe that NAO Robot will be probably a little bit small to help people. So the vision is to design larger scale robots and also to make affordable robots. So NAO is actually one step towards a larger robot called Romeo. You can see a couple of pictures on the corners of Romeo. I will very briefly introduce the concept of Romeo to you later in the presentation. But the vision of the company is really to build robots to help people. So I mentioned we started the company in 2005 in Paris. We are headquartered in Paris. We also have manufacturing facility inside Paris. Probably one of the last manufacturing facilities in Paris, but it's a very high-tech facility. We opened offices in Boston, in Shanghai, and in Osaka. So NAO is present all around the world in approximately 300 institutions. So research labs, universities, and now also entering secondary schools in the technology, STEM disciplines, secondary schools. NAO has about 1,500 browsers all around the world in more than 40 countries. And this is the current version of NAO. NAO can be used as a humanoid robot, can be used a lot for navigation purposes. So one project we have been investing a lot on this year was a Yoji project in France, which is project where the robot is entering an unknown room, and he's supposed to map the room, localize all the objects, and provide the information back about what is in the room, who is in the room, if somebody is in the room, and if there are some movements and people are in need of help. So this was one of the different projects we worked on this year. It's a project that will last for 3 years. It was the first year we entered. And we were the only humanoid robot competing in this project. All the other robots were wheeled robots. So humanoid robots are really getting into more projects and more research. We believe that humanoid robot is really the right shape of robots, mostly because it's much easier to interact with a humanoid form of robot than a wheeled or vehicle format of robot.